Hi, in this 5S training, I will explain to you all the aspects of the 5S methodology in great detail. The 5S methodology is the most popular tool in Lean. The 5S methodology is a way to keep workplaces safe, clean, and productive, but there are good and bad aspects to take into account. Are you sure you have to start your Lean journey with 5S? 5S benefits. It is easy to implement. Usually has a good impact on quality and productivity. Tell the organization that Lean has arrived. 5S disadvantages. Can move the attention, not the real priority. Can be seen only as a cleanup. Lean can be associated only to 5S. So remember that the real objective of a 5S program is reduce 7 wastes, reduce variation, improve productivity. 5S programs that are successful are in workplaces where there is the need to achieve their 3 goals. 5S is also a change of mindset from "my company is unorganized and messy" to "my company is very well organized and everyone knows where everything is." The 5S meaning starts from the Japanese words seri, saitun, saiso, saiketsu, shitsuke. In English are commonly used sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. You have to remember them in the right order and start a 5S program by following them strictly without jumping steps. Normally, starting with a 5S is often a good choice, but you have to perform each S properly.